This video tutorial I will explain get datetime instance method of dateFormat class which accept date style, time style and locale. Here I have defined a class dateFormat demo. Here I have created locale object. Then I am calling get datetime instance method of dateFormat class and date style I have mentioned as long and time style as long and I am passing the locale. This method returns datetime formatter object. Then using format method, I am formatting the date. This method returns formatted date. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.